Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Jakara, and today I'm going to be sharing with you ways in which I find comfort and coziness at this time of year, fall going into winter. Now, I'm not the greatest of fall fans. I don't I don't like the autumn that much, other than the turning of the leaves. I do love the nature and how beautiful nature looks during autumn or fall, and I do like the fashion. So let's be clear, I do like some things about this time of year. I like the holidays, all of that, but I am just not a cold weather person. I do not like the cold. I hate, like, Chicago in this time of year, late fall or mid fall to like late spring, it is cold. So I like to be cozy and comfy. And so one of the ways in which I do that, number one, is wearing thermals. Now, this is a thermal top that I wear under, like, one of the layers, the main layers that I wear under my clothes when the temperature does drop. And so I like to wear this. I have tops and bottoms. I even wear them in the house, even if I'm not gonna be like getting dressed for the day. If I'm just gonna, be hanging out at home, I wear them under my clothes. So it just gives me a nice little warm hug, cozy hug, and I know that they keep me warm, and even when I'm, just hanging out at home. Now, number two is a comfy robe. A comfy robe. This is my little pink robe. I love it. It's one of two pink robes that I own. And yes, I just throw this on over my thermals. And this is a short robe. I typically like my longer robe, but that one's in the wash. So we're gonna wear a short robe, but I'm just hanging out at home. So yeah, nice and cozy and warm. It's terry cloth, fabric, like, towel material, nice and warm, and I feel cozy. Now, to complete the cozy ensemble for staying at home, I like to wear warm, fluffy slippers. These are the ones I wear mostly during the winter. I don't like to wear socks, so I like the open-toed version of this. They're kind of old, so I probably should start looking for some new ones, but that's okay. I like them. They're pink and they're cute. They match my outfit. Yeah, some nice fluffy warm slippers are another addition to the cozy vibes during this time of the year. So the next thing that I do to get cozy vibes during this time of year is have a nice place to hang out with a cup of tea. A warm cup of tea will always do it for me. It warms me from within. It tastes good. And it just, gives me that cozy feeling, the warm, cozied up on the couch feeling. I drink tea quite often, and during this time of year, when it's cold and gloomy or not so nice outside, it's nice to be able to curl up on the couch with my favorite throw and drink my cup of tea. And whether I'm watching TV or reading a good book, I'm all set. The other thing I like to do during this time of year that gets me kind of in the cozy, warm, stay-at-home mood is I like to change my decor a little bit. Now, a lot of people a lot of people decorate for the holidays or for the fall season, or I kind of just do a general redecoration of my home during this time. I changed the linens on my bed to like warmer linens. I changed the curtains on the windows to velvet curtains instead of the more sheer lightweight curtains that I have during the summer. And I changed the color of my sofas by just putting a slip. This is a slip cover that I bought off of Amazon. I love this burgundy color. It's just warmer, more like deep and rich. And obviously the throws make a big impact as well, but I always have throws on my couch, whether it's winter or summer, it don't matter. I always have something to, curl up in. If you want to see how I decorate, or let's say redecorate my home in the fall to make it more cozy, I do have a video, and I'll link it somewhere up above where you can see how I kind of make that transition from summer to fall / winter. So the next way I like to stay cozy at this time of year that keeps me all warm inside is to drink or eat soup. And today I'm going to be having the Panera creamy chicken and wild rice. This is one of my favorite ones. So I try to pick up a few different varieties during the season, and sometimes I make my own soup. I have a video where I made broccoli cheddar soup from the broccoli I grew in my own garden. So if you want to check that out, I'll put it somewhere up here as well. But yeah, that's another way for me to get into the season. It's soup season, and I am so blessed that I have a daughter who lives with me who used to work in the restaurant business, and she was a sous chef. So she knows how to make all the yummy soups, and I'm like, she made a cream of mushroom soup the other day that was it was so good. I asked her, please, can you make some more? So she's gonna make some more for me. And like I said, I've made my own soups before too. But today we're doing Panera because it's quick, it's easy, and I can cozy up on the couch and eat my soup. So if you can hear my dishwasher in the background, please excuse it. It's pretty loud. But the next item on my cozy list during this year is a good candle. Now I got this one, it's warm tobacco pipe. It smells so good, so warm, and just, it's a little sweet, but a little smoky. I don't know, it's hard to describe. I got this from Home Goods, and I had bought 2 of them, so I typically like to burn this or another type of candle with similar notes to it. So yes, I usually burn at least 3 or 4 candles throughout the house in different rooms for different reasons, with different notes and everything. Sometimes I will light up incense as well. I do have incense. I kind of do incense all year round for different reasons, but there's certain incense that I have that I like to use for this time of year because it just gives that warm, cozy vibe. So the last thing I like to do to create cozy vibes in my home during this time of year is to pick some cafe, jazz, relaxing music on YouTube and just, read a book or just, chill out here, maybe scrolling on Instagram or TikTok or something like that, and just, rewinding, relaxing. I might even take a nap. So it's just a good way to just decompress and really create that, warm, cozy vibe in my home, and something I can look forward to from day to day and creating all of these things, scenarios again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comment section, how do you create cozy vibes in your home? What do you do to make yourself feel nice and like a big hug to yourself during this cold time of the year? And if you don't live in a cold climate, tell me, what do you do to make yourself be able to relax and really decompress at home? Okay, well, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. If you like videos like this, or if you like fashion or DIYs or travel vlogs, then this is the place to be. I would love to have you as part of our community here. If you could just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.